Tonight seems to have really now coalesced around these two locations, outside the Trident and inside the Trident Hotel, and at the Taj, where the fire is spreading and where a number of these militants still seem to be inside. But also the loss of, a tragic loss really, of two senior and well-respected police officials. Hemant Karkare, unbelievable to think that he was there very much around and spearheading the Malegaon investigations and lost tonight to terrorist violence.
Yes, Srinivasan, it's certainly a very big shock. It's a big tragedy for the IPS officials here. Hemant Karkare was known as being very fearless. He had been leading, as we said, the Malegaon investigations, and he had been under attack from a number of Hindutva parties, the BJP, the Shiv Sena. He was under attack from the RSS, but he was continuing with this investigation. He had earlier served a stint in RAW. He was known as someone who was extremely upright, spoke very little but very well respected among his colleagues. Certainly a very big loss for the officials here, a man who is known for leading from the front. Also a number of lower level officials still from the IPS, Ashok Kamte, Ashok Kamte, who I believe is dead, Sadanand Date, who is injured, and also encounter specialist Vijay Salaskar. Although he was, of course, one of the controversial encounter specialists from Mumbai, he has also been killed today. But Srinivasan, the activity at the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus, a short distance from here, seems to be petering out. That's an area which was first attacked today, where gunmen had entered, thrown grenades and opened fire. That area is still cordoned off. The action clearly has shifted to Taj and the Trident Hotel, where the police are there in their full presence, and the army has also been called in. Srinivasan.